Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss
Priyanka,
author of
The Pursuit of Finding Myself.
Right. How is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Gives a very great feeling because I visited last year also, and visiting Notion Press is actually a great feel.
Right.
You people are very gentle, you people are very helpful, and visiting this area gives another vibe because we meet so many authors
Right.
and gives us a confidence. Yes, like every person has an
Right.
author in
You meet your tribe
Yeah,
everywhere,
we meet
right.
our tribe, and they have author in themselves.
Right.
And when they write like in a story or in a
Right.
poetry,
Right.
then somewhere an author is hidden between us.
What is one thing about your book you think stands out in its genre or theme?
So my book is purely based on the struggles which women face in the
Right.
society in day-to-day life.
That's wonderful, ma'am. So, have you been able to meet any of your readers?
Yes, readers like just one or two I have met.
Right. What's the most
Yeah.
memorable feedback a reader has given you?
Yeah, they have said that yes, this has given them a boost,
Right.
and they want to bring a message to the society,
Right.
so that we should raise like our voice. We should
Right.
heal ourselves, because if we will heal ourselves, then we will be able to heal our
Right.
families, and we will be able to bring that positivity in every aspect of our life. Because
Right.
women are doing so many things, and this book will obviously help you lead because of the techniques or whatever
Right.
positive things I've mentioned, how to heal myself or how to heal that person, and everything is there mentioned in this.
Right.
Then obviously in my social media details are also there, so one
Right.
can match up to that whenever I want to.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences with us.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful book fair,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.